My progression has just been amazing the last 8 weeks.
It's like mind blowing. I can't believe the stuff I can do.
Yeah, that was amazing. I've never done that. So it's like, yay!
Just the most exciting, just fulfilling thing that I've done.
So exciting. I couldn't do a crow before I started working with you.
Those were just a few of my students from around the world sharing about their experience in my program, Yogi Flight School. This course breaks down and sets you up with the fundamentals of a safe, intelligent, and strong arm balance and inversion practice, and teaches you over 30 poses, some of which you probably haven't even seen yet. There's one thing I can tell you for sure. If you're serious about your arm balance and inversion practice, watching YouTube videos or following Instagram tutorials is going to get you started, but it's not going to help you really grow and progress. If you want to do complicated balances in the middle of the room with no wall, you can't just fling your legs up and hope for the best the way I did for so many years. You need a training plan. You need a step-by-step process to get you there. And that's exactly why I created this course, to take all of the guesswork out of it, to tell you exactly where to put your body parts, what you should be focusing on in each pose, what you should be activating, and to help you build flexibility, mobility, and trust in yourself.
It has been so empowering, just a sense of self and never knowing you could even do these things.
My name is Natanya Stambouli, and I'm an arm balance and inversion teacher. And when I'm not traveling the world teaching this stuff on retreats, I'm teaching people like you online how to defy gravity, no matter how little or how much experience you have. Here's what I want you to do. Click on the link just below this video, and you and I can start playing together and get you to your ninja status in no time. You ready? Let's fly.
Yes.
Lift off!